Hello, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. It's been long since the last time I posted a video on this channel, but remember, sometimes you have to keep your house in order. I was trying to keep my house in order to make sure that the content that I'm going to deliver to you, it is a content that goes with the goals of this particular channel, to inspire, to educate, to motivate. And I'll tell you this before even we do a video today, that it is possible that you can change your story, you can change your narrative, you can write a new history in your life. And there is no situation that is permanent in this life, as long as you work and as long as you be smart and as long as you involve God in everything that you're doing. I will tell you for sure that it is possible. You can make it, you can change your situation. And I'll tell you, it doesn't matter how long it will take, you just need to put on work. You just need to be patient and to believe that it's possible. Remember, delay is not a failure. But before then, I want to tell you that I'm back and we will be getting a video every week. And as time goes by, probably we'll be getting 2 videos and every week, and I will communicate the specific dates that we will be uploading a video on the channel and even to the 2 channels, because remember, we have the other channel, which is Tony Vlogging. I will be posting there too, and as time goes by, I will be updating you on how often we will be posting. But before then, today we have an amazing topic, and as you can see, today is 8 things you must do to get F1 visa at the US Embassy. This is a conversation that we've been having for so long. The information, the intel that we have been getting is that, there's a lot of denials at the embassy, but we need to prepare ourselves so that at least we can increase our chances of getting this visa. So today we have a topic to talk about, and I want to welcome you back. Remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, and to share with your friends. Let's get into the details of today's video. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss for all of you international students aspiring to study in the United States. If you have been accepted to a US university, the next step is obtaining an F1 visa to pursue your dreams. In this video, we will guide you through the process of preparing for the F1 visa interview at the US Embassy. Remember, this is Tony and this is Inspire Generations. Let's get started. Before we jump into the preparation tips, let's quickly go over what an F1 visa is. The F1 visa is non-immigrant student visa that allows you to study in the US at an accredited education institution. It is essential to understand the visa purpose, as this will help you answer questions confidently during the interview. Now let's talk about the essential document you will need for your F1 visa interview. Be sure to gather this well in advance to avoid last-minute stress. The first document, Form I-20, Certificate of Eligibility for Non-Immigrant Student Status, issued by your university or college. DS-160 Non-Immigrant Visa Application and Confirmation Page. Valid passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in US. And then the passport sized photographs meeting the US visa photo requirement, application fee, payment receipt, academic transcript, and test scores. You're talking SAT, TOEFL, IELTS, GMAT, and so forth. Financial document demonstrating your ability to cover tuition and living expenses, and any other document requested by the US Embassy or consulate for that purpose. And the point number 3, let us talk about how to practice for your interview, because remember, when you go to the embassy, it's all about the way you're going to answer the questions. How is your preparation? What are you supposed to do before you get there? So this is what we're going to talk about on this particular point. So preparation is the key to success, and that applies to your F1 visa interview as well. Practice answering common visa interview questions with friends or family to boost your confidence. Some typical questions include, and actually I will be discussing some of these questions individually in another video, so that I can prepare you as you go to that embassy, so that you can know what you're supposed to say, the kind of questions that you should expect and answers that you should provide. So the first question is, why do you want to study in the United States? And then number 2, which university will you attend and what will you be studying? And then number 3, How will this program help you in your future career? Number 4, do you have any family or friends in the US? Number 5, what ties do you have to your home country that will ensure you return after completing your studies? Let's talk about, showing a proof that you will come back home after your studies. That comes in at point number 4, which is very, very important, and I also will make a specific video to this particular topic so that you can know how to prove to them that you will come back home or you have strong ties back home. So show proof of strong ties to your home country. One crucial aspect of visa interview or visa officer will consider is whether you have strong ties to your home country. This is to ensure that you intend to return after completing your studies. Provide evidence of family, property, or job commitment back home to demonstrate your ties back home. And then another point, which is very important too, you have to be honest and confident in the way you provide your answers. Be precise to the point. When they ask you a question, be precise to the point. Provide them with an answer that they need and don't give them a lot of stories. Avoid giving rehearsed responses or providing false information. Remember, the visa officer's job is to assess your eligibility, so just be yourself and answer the questions confidently but not overconfident. Then let's talk about the dress code. Dress appropriately for the interview shows respect and seriousness about the process. Opt for formal or semi-formal attires and avoid wearing anything that may be considered inappropriate or offensive. Okay, then let's talk about punctuality. Be punctual. On the day of the interview, arrive at the embassy or the consulate well ahead of your scheduled appointment. Being punctual will reduce the stress and allow you to gather your thoughts before the interview. You know what I mean about that. So another point is stay calm and positive. When you go to that embassy, believe that you're going to get there. Don't go to the interview with a negative mind that, oh, I don't think I'm going to get this visa. Of course, you're not going to get the visa if you believe you're not going to get it. So have that belief and stay calm and positive. Interview can be nerve-wracking, but try to stay calm and positive. Take deep breath if you feel anxious and maintain a friendly attitude throughout the interview. And then another point, review your university details. I have to emphasize, review your university details. I have to emphasize this. It doesn't matter whether you did the application through the embassy or your brother was doing the application for you or your sister was doing the application for you. You have to know 1 or 2, 3 details about the university, because this is important, because they will throw some questions to you concerning the university. Take some time to review essential details about the university you will be attending, such as the location, courses offered, campus facilities. So this knowledge will show the visa officer that you've done your research and are genuinely interested in your studies. They want to know if you have any idea about the university, because then they can gauge for sure if you're going to study or you're just looking for an escape route from your country, maybe to go to look for a better life. You have to convince them that you're really going to school. Well, that concludes our guide on how to prepare for the F1 visa interview at the US Embassy. Remember, adequate preparation, confidence, and honesty are the keys to successful visa application. We wish you the very best of luck on your journey to studying in the United States. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who might be applying an F1 visa too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye and a peace.